When you pat a guinea pig under its chin, it looks at you with innocent eyes and makes soft squeaky sounds. This is how guinea pigs show they're happy. If you hold it in your arms, it turns into a little squeaky toy. Every time you touch it, it makes a cute noise. Once they bond deeply with their owner, guinea pigs become super clingy and love to beg for pets. When they're really relaxed, they make fast, excited little sounds just like a telegraph. For guinea pigs raised in groups, with a little training, they'll line up and walk toward you when called. Amusingly, guinea pigs only eat when you pet them, touch them, they take a bite. Stop they freeze. This funny pause and go behavior is impossible not to laugh at. Through selective breeding, guinea pigs now come in many varieties. The most popular is the Texel guinea pig, with fluffy fur like a stuffed toy. There are also hairless guinea pigs, nicknamed mini hippos.